Hello friends, I have built AI for an e-commerce platform. I'm testing it now, so I asked it a question. You must be seeing it. Now it will take information from the database and show it to us. And look, it showed me 4 laptops and suggested how I could. You should buy a laptop just like a real person, so we are going to see that. How can we make it free? To make it for free, we will first have to go to Google and search open. As soon as we search for router API, the website of the router opens in front of us. When it opens, we have to go to this website. And click as soon as we are here. But when we come, we will have to log in. I already have an account, so I'll sign you out. Now from here I'll simply come sign up. But I will continue with Google. It may take some time, so from here I will do my. Select any one account. So now we're logged in. So we'll come to the models here and here. But you will search for free because we are trying to make it absolutely free. So as soon as we do a free search, we will see many models in front of us. It will come which is absolutely free, so let us use the ChatGPT model here. So first of all we create our API, so now some. It was messing up, so here we are again. Now I can name it anything like app. And here we can put a limit on how much we want to use it, so right now I am using it. I will let it remain like this, unlimited, and create it, so this is how we create it. Once it is done, we will copy it from here. We will copy and cut it and paste it into our notepad. I will write here, this is my API key, API. So now here we go our. To use the model of the model, see here. If it is the name of the model, then you have to do this also, so from here I copied this model and pasted it here too. I am this model. Got named. Now let's move on to our code. So here you can see my HTML file. I have named it Product Recommendation AI, and I have created some buttons here. And here, as I have written it in Hindi, you can write it in your own language. And my script is connected to JAS, so we can come here to the JAS file. Yes, here you will see the code of my JS file, so it is written here. That your API key, so here we have to paste our API key, so first we remove it. And from here you can get your copy back. And now paste it here. If you do this, you can see here the URL of my database. Where it picks up the data from, then you can replace this URL with the URL of your database. Yes, I will let it be for now. Now let us understand some of its rules. Here's how I've made the rules. If you do it, then first you are highly skilled. Helpful and empathic human salesman, so it means that it helps the user at all. He will answer like a real human being, and here I have created a structure for answering. He will do it before it starts friendly. First 2 to 3, we will understand these later. First, let's work on creating and have this model here. Open. Now let's test it out. Just writes. Then he's doing research. He told us the hard names. Because I designed it in such a way that in direct self-man mode. And here he does not understand the language properly as to in which language the question has been asked. So here the answer is showing in Spanish language, so now I have hope. I hope you all must have understood that free AI model by itself. How to make it, please design a little and see this is my design. So now you guys are all right. You will understand this. We will meet in the next video.